Today I'm going to be showing you how to post an ad on Zeek Rewards. It is fairly simple to do. After 2 or 3 tries, it'll be secondhand. First you bring up the Zeek Rewards homepage. The first page that comes up comes with a small video. So we're going to click Login, and the next one will be just be your own boss. Now at this point we're going to go to Login, and we're going to log in. We're putting in our password and clicking enter. Now here we are on our back office. Now the main thing and the first thing you should be looking for is this rectangle. Is it green or red? If it's green, you're qualified for cash rewards. If it's red, you're not, and you must post an ad. If you post an ad twice a day, it'll stay green consistently and constantly. The time I have a problem is when Shabbat comes and I post an ad on Friday. So after 24 hours and after Shabbat, this will be red. I simply post an ad and it'll turn green and show up 24 hours. No problem. So right now, we're going to post an ad. Scroll down till you get to place your ad. Now we're going to click on that. Now we give 3 choices. We're given 3 choices here, and we're going to choose an ad to place as our choice. Now here, we're going to see many ads that were pre-formatted, and we're going to scroll down till we get to the bold ones. Now here we have many really catchy ads. You can choose any one you want. This is the one I'm going to choose right now, and I'm going to left click and drag my mouse to highlight it, like so. And I'm going to go to my copy button up on top. I'm going to hit copy, and now I've copied this. Now where am I going to put it? So I'm going to open up a second tab, which I've already done, but here's the free business ads. Now I have that saved, so just for the sake of showing, I'll click on that in my bookmarks, and it will generate and come up as free business ads. Now here I'm going to want to scroll down just slightly to here so that the entire screen is in my view. Scroll down. I'm on a small laptop, so this gets cut off a little bit, so that's why I scroll down. On a PC with a larger screen, you'll be able to see everything. Now the main thing we're going to do is do add text. The biggest box or rectangle that we see here, we click in there and we go to paste. And here we have the ad that we just copied, and it's now pasted inside the ad text. Most important. Now we're going to put the cursor right about over here and left click and drag just over there. So it says www and the rest of the text. Do not highlight the http://. Why? Because we're now going to copy this and we're going to paste it into the site URL over here. Like that. That's our second step. First step was to add the text that we copied, the ad. Second step was to copy this small piece from the bottom to put it into the site URL. We have the cursor in there, it's blinking, and we're going to paste it. What we had down here is now duplicated up here. Okay, now what else do we need to fill in? Well, how about a title? So, we're going to just take right here by the exclamation point, left click and drag up. Copy that and give that as a title. Just click here, put your cursor into the title and paste it. It's a good title. It says up to 500 free bids, over $300 in value for #1 penny auction site. So now we have our title. I have a few other things to fill in. Let's go to the top. That's the email. Everyone signed in and has an email at Zeek. So whatever email you had, that's the one you use. Place it in there. Make sure it's correct. Double check it. Looks good. Now this little checkbox here, that you can leave alone. We have the site URL, which we got from down here. Now category, advertising, or agents wanted, and so on. My favorite is computers. Another one that I sometimes use is, let's scroll down slightly, is gifts or general. So we'll just leave it with computers for now. So you have that. And now another important part is at the bottom you have 4 different colors: red, green, yellow, blue. They're not always in the same order, but either way, this is a code that needs to be put in. If this rectangle was red, you would fill in the red code, and green, and so on. It happens to be yellow, so if you look, it says 5ZBG. So you type in 5ZBG. Simply copy that, put it in, make sure it's correct. So now we have our email, we have our site URL, which we took from down here, our category, our title, which we took from the ad text. We took it from up top, we pasted it here, and we put in the code. Now we're going to submit. Let that generate, and it says your ad has been placed. Excellent. Now up on top here, there is the address. Every screen will have this, every website has an address. This came up, and simply click on it once. The whole thing will turn blue. If it doesn't, simply put the cursor here, left click, and drag to the end, and let go. And we're going to copy that. Now everything is done on this page. That is finished. We can now go back to Zeek Rewards. We're back here where we took the ad. We're going to scroll down and go to continue to step 2. Now step 2 is pretty easy. Why? Because we simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and we continue to step 3. There's nothing to do on that page. Now this page comes up. Down below there's additional notes. Leave it blank. You have where did you place your ad. We'll fill that in a minute. You have ad type. That we can do now. Click on it, drop down menu. Always click classified. It's fine, classified. And the next one, online ad URL. So we're going to click in there first. Let the blinker appear, and we are going to paste that portion that we took from up here, from the other tab. So that goes in there. Now, there's a word here, Free Biz Ads Web. Double click on that, and it'll only highlight that word. We copy it, and we paste it right up here. Now watch what happens to example Wall Street Journal. I just put the cursor here, and click once, that'll disappear, and we are going to paste ours there. That's it. So now, being that this is a small screen, I scroll down. Chances are submit will be on the larger screen, and we submit it. And it says ad submitted for today. So now, if we go back to advertising options and back one more step to the back office, we now have 23 hours, 59 minutes, 45 seconds, and it's a countdown. Now tomorrow morning, which is roughly, let's say 12 hours from now, this obviously be 23 hours less 12. I'll have plenty of time to place another ad, but it's the morning, I'm fresh, and I'll go through this process once again, where I will scroll down to place your ad, and I'll go through that process again. And it's that simple. So good luck, have fun, and you're gonna make money. Take care. Thank you for watching.